Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to unbox the new D13 smartwatch. As you can see, the package is very small and very simple, and the outside is all white, and you can see in the back we have a few information, Bluetooth 4.0, we have 1.3-inch screen, you can see the screen right here, and we have two buttons in the right side. The watch is built with very good materials, rubber bands, and it's metal. Underneath this we will find here the user manual and the charger. You can see the charger, very simple, 2 points to charge it, and we have the user manual in Chinese and English as well. So this is all what we have in the box. Let's go ahead and power it on, see what we got. So this is the first page. As you can see right here, press and hold to change the screen. We have a few options here. Also, we will find the other options in the app. Let's choose this one. In the left we have weather, sleep, measuring of training. Up we have the menu, like we have down, training, heart rate, and here we have walking, running and cycling, skipping, badminton and basketball. Also we have football and swimming. And the end we have heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, and you can see the sign of the low battery. This is how it will look. We have player and messages, shutter, breathe and more. In more we will find mute, brightness, which we have more brightness levels. We have about, QR code, power off or restart, and we have in the left again the training and other information. This is the simple software of the smartwatch. The D13 is IP68 waterproof, and we have plenty of sports that you saw before. Let's try some of them. Start from walking. As you can see, we have here steps, burn calories, kilometer and blood pressure measurements. Also we have the seconds of the timing that we started this sport. We don't have too much options or information, which bothers me, but the other options works pretty good. You can see we have now the heart rate measuring. It will take a little bit, but you will get used to it. You can see we have the first result, which wasn't that bad honestly, but again we saw much better or much faster smartwatches. This is the end of result. We have here the blood pressure. Let's see this one. Again, it takes a little bit longer, but we have the information at the end, and we have the blood oxygen, the third option that we have for health caring. But again, we have the result here, which was really fast from the D13. So these were the options that we have in this smartwatch, and this is the video, guys. Thank you very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting and helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video with another smartwatch.